Want to log out of your Gmail account on your laptop but can't find the logout button? Here is only the working method in 2025, whether you have got one account or many. Just go ahead and log into your Gmail account. If you have more than one Gmail account, you will find this option sign out of all accounts. Just go ahead and let's sign out of all of my Gmail account. Continue, and this will sign out my all of Gmail account from Gmail in my browser. Now let's go back and sign in with a single Gmail account into Gmail. Here we want to confirm that sign out of Gmail account from a single Gmail account. Okay, once you are signed into Gmail, single Gmail account, just click on your profile icon. Here we have only one Gmail account. All other accounts are already signed out. Scroll down and you will find sign out button for your single Gmail account. Sign out of your single Gmail account by clicking on the sign out button. Now, let me show you additional tip. I want to show that how we can sign out of Gmail account from all devices. Please type myaccount.google.com, head to security tab, please scroll down to your devices. Just go ahead and click on manage all devices where you will find all of the devices you have signed in with your Gmail account. Just go ahead and sign out of any device you want. Let's say I want to sign out of my this iPhone that is showing at the bottom of devices, and here you go. I got signed out. Please note that this is only the supported method from Google that works now in 2025. So if this helped, please like the video and subscribe for more quick and real tech tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.